if you switch on basic bullets in a Word document, it pops a bullet in, and if I type in dog, the next time I press enter, a Word assumes that I want to type in another thought, so it puts in a bullet. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to put on this backwards P, which is the show hide tool, and it enables me to see tab stops and enters. So the arrows represent a tab stop and the backwards P represents an enter. Now, if underneath dog, I want to put breeds of dog, and not a new bulleted point, what I can do is backspace to come back here. And instead of pressing enter, because we know it's going to automatically create a new bullet, if I hold down the shift key on the keyboard and press enter, it creates what's called a soft return. And a soft return, if you'll pardon the pun, it displays as a little dog leg. And if I hold shift and enter, it starts a new line, but not a new paragraph. So Word assumes that every time you press enter, you're starting a new paragraph or a new thought. So when there's times where you want to group things together or you want to start a new line but not a new paragraph, use a soft return, which is shift plus enter.